Epistemology. Epistemology is the science of knowledge. Basically, how do you know what you know? There are three types: direct, tradition, and authority. Direct is knowing by seeing. Tradition is knowing because everyone else knows it, because we were told so. Authority is being told by a scholar or a professor. For example, direct.
You have straight hair.
How do you know that?
Because I see it.
Tradition.
Why do we put oil in a pan before anything else?
I don't know. We were just always told to do so. Authority.
Based on how close we are to the sun, we face various amounts of heat.
So why should you not trust direct? Because not all direct observations are true. Why should you not trust tradition? Because traditions are verified. And authority, because people are biased. Epistemological fallacies. Basically saying that people make mistakes. And yes, everyone makes mistakes.
Inaccurate observation, mistake in observation, not paying attention, no right tools to calculate. Overgeneralization, base sweeping generalizations on a few observations. Selective observation, observe those that fit our observation. Illogical reasoning, contradiction, unsound reasoning.
How do we avoid fallacies? There are three ways to avoid this. 1. Observe in large sample of cases. Basically, instead of doing 10, do 100. 2. Observe in diverse samples, because this avoids the bias. And 3. Replicate studies with another sample of cases, because error measurements or weird samples are limited. What is the foundation of scientific knowledge?
There are two ways, logic and observation.
Logic is basically avoiding contradiction. Whatever you do, don't contradict what you say. There are two types of observation. Regularity, which is basically what you do on a regular basis, but basically not all the time. Or aggregation, which we do more than 1 or 2 cases, but they all have to add up. And that is all.